Hi everyone! Welcome to Traveling with the Elliots. We are going on Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady. Woo! Ahoy! So this is a four-night sailing to Key West and Bimini. We've been to Key West before, so we're going to show our friends around, but come along with us on our first time, virgins. I'm getting so excited. It's cruise day!
I thought we were taking a picture.
There's like nobody. They're just like letting people on. Little birds. Seriously, a party out here. Oh my gosh. Yeah. We're just waiting for our friends.
Turn to the right.
Hi!
So, 3 and 1, huh?
Thank you. There she is. I'm so excited. Sorry for the squeal.
At check-in is where you're given your bracelet, which serves as your room key, and how you will charge items to your room.
Oh, this is so pretty. Look, they have hammocks over there. We've been on vacation, but officially in 3, 2, 1. Ahoy, sailors! Welcome to the Valiant Lady! Ahoy, sailors!
Pretty smooth.
Hey, we're traveling with Elliots.
Love it.
Ready? Boy sailor. Ooh, the lights turned on.
Oh, the curtain opened up automatically?
What?
Fancy.
Super super duper fancy. The TV just turned on!
Or was it just already like that?
Sounds like it's like playing some music.
Smells nice in here.
Ooh, it does.
This is the galley. The galley is basically the buffet of the ship. We got macaroon and an acai bowl. I got the salmon roll, and Tyler got
Pastrami on rye, and then peanut butter jelly.
Got it.
Then it was time for ice cream. They offer a lot of flavors, and they also offer 3 flavors for your cones: vanilla, chocolate, and red velvet.
With orange ricotta. Nope.
Thank you. After ice cream, it was time for drinks at the doghouse. We ordered 2 fake sours, a golden horizon, and bees please.
Please. Golden Horizon.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Happy vacation.
Happy vacation. So because we're here with friends, we requested to have our balconies open. And now all 3 are connected. That's so cool. All 3 balconies are connected. Very, very cool. We're still in port. We came back to the room. We're going to freshen up for dinner, but we had lunch. We checked out the karaoke bar real quick, and now it's dinner time. So, where are we eating?
The week.
We're going to the wake tonight.
For our appetizers, I got the clam chowder. And we both ordered the bone marrow. We ended up ordering all the sides to share with the table. I ordered the New York strip, and Tyler ordered the New York strip and the filet mignon. For dessert, we got the Meyer lemon cheesecake.
Oh, it's hard. Oh, it's hard. Oh, it's hard.
Oh, interesting.
After dinner, the girls went to bed early, but the guys, they went to the Misbehave show. And after seeing some videos that Tyler recorded, I'm really sad that I missed out. The show was all about audience participation, and here's Tyler taking some selfies. That was it for our first day on Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady. Please stay tuned for day 2, which was the sea day. Please like this video, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. We have a lot more adventures to come.